Guangzhou CSS Company is a sauce factory specializing in cardboard kits. We are a professional sales team who doing business at home and abroad over 10 years experience. From cleaning the mold, laying carbon fiber cloths, to squeezing water from the autoclave to shape the product, there is a clear division of labor team. You can see how we work with autoclave. After the product is shaped, it needs to go through a series of grading and polishing. Step by step, everything is indispensable. After that, we need to check the surface texture, flattness, and flaws of the product. And then, pack it and send it back to the warehouse after passing the inspection. Follow us to know more.